بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 6. Today we have revision for final exam term 3. The first question here, find the mean, the median and mode for each data set. I will choose number 2 here. This is the data here. We have 2 and 0 and 4 and 8 and 3 and 4. Now we want to find the mean. What is the rule to solve the mean? What is the rule to solve the mean? The sum of all numbers inside the data. We have here 2 plus 0 plus 4 plus 8 plus 3 plus 4. Divide by the amount of numbers. How many numbers we have inside the data here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divide by 6. And use a calculator here. We can put 2 plus 0 plus 4 plus 8 plus 3 plus 4 equal 21. Equal 21. Divide by 6. Now 21 divided by 6 will be 3.5. Will be 3.5. So the mean here, the mean will be 3.5. Now how to solve the median? How to solve the median? The first step, order the data from small number to the big number. So we have here 0, 2, 3, then we have 4 2 times, then we have 8. Now here we have 6 numbers and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's true. Now we can solve the median. As you see here, we have 6 numbers, means we have even number. Even number. When we have even number, the median will be the 2 numbers on the middle. Will be here. So take the 2 numbers, three plus 4 divide by 2. 3 plus 4 divide by 2. 3 plus 4 will be 7. 7 divided by 2 will be 3.5. So this is the median. This is the median. Now we want to solve the mode. The mode, the most repeated number. The most repeated number. As you see here, 0 repeated 1 times, 2 repeated 1 times, 3 1 times, but 4 repeated 2 times, and 8 1 times. So 4 the most repeated number, so will be here 4. So the mode will be what? Will be 4. Another example. This is the next example, how to solve the mean. Add the all numbers here, will be 8 plus 10 plus 9 plus 12 plus 12 plus 15 plus 11. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divide by 7. Use calculator to help us. We have here 8 plus 10 plus 9 plus 12 plus 12 plus 15 plus 11 equals 77. Divide by 7 will be 11. This is the mean. How to find the median? The first step, rearrange the data from small number to the big number. The smallest number here will be 8. Then we have 9. Then we have 10. Then we have 11. Then we have 12 two times. Then we have 15. Okay. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's true. Now the median. Seven is odd number, so the median will be here. The number on the middle will be 11. Now the mode. The most repeated number, as you see here, we have 12. Okay. This is the meaning of the mean, the mode, and the median. Who has a question now? Who has a question about these ideas? Okay, let us continue. Here we have table, and this is the number inside the table. And we want to find the range. As you know, the range is the first measure of variation. We have 4 measures in measures of variation. The first one will be the range. The range equal the big value inside the data minus the smallest value inside the data. What is the big value here? As you see here, 95 minus the smallest value, as you see here, will be 40. 95 minus 40 will be 55. Now the second question here, find the median. And the first quartile and the third quartile and the interquartile range. The first step, take the data here and try to rearrange the data from small number to the big number, from small number to the big number. The smallest number here will be 40, and we have 43 times. 1, 2, 3. So we will write here 40, 40, 40. Then after 40, we have 48. Then we have 57. After 57, we have 60. Here we have 60, and here we have 62 times. Then we have 65. Then after 65, we have 70. Then we have 72 two times. After 72, we have 80. Then we have 90. After 90, we have 92. Then we have 93. Then we have 95. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, etc. Now, we want to find the median. 16 is even number. 16 is even number. So take the two numbers on the middle. Take the two numbers on the middle. You can here cancel number from the last, number from the beginning, number from the beginning, number from the last. You will be here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will find here the two numbers here. So the median equal 65 plus 70 divided by 2. Now 65 plus 70 equal 135 divided by 2 equal 67.5. 67.5. This is the median. Now we want to find the first quartile. The first quartile. The first quartile means Q1. Q1. After you find the median, you will find the data will be divided to the 2 equal 6. This is the first set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is odd number. Find here the median. Find the median. So the number on the middle will be 48. Will be 48. So now we want to find the third quartile. Q3. Go to the next set. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The number on the middle. The number on the middle will be 90. Will be 90. Now, how to find the interquartile range. Interquartile range. I Q R equal Q3 minus Q1. Q3 will be 90 minus Q1 will be 48. So the answer will be 42. The answer will be 42. Now the range, the first quartile, third quartile, and IQR is the measures of variation. The measures of variation. Now here we have line plot. Here we have line plot. The first step, find the data from the figure. Find the data. How? Here we have 20. The up of 20 here we have 2 points. Means we have 20 repeated 2 times. Here 30, but no point. Means here we have gaps. So here no value. Here we have gaps, no value. Here 50 repeated 3 times. Here 60 repeated 6 times. Here 70 repeated 3 times. Here 80 repeated 4 times. And here 90 repeated 4 times. And here 100 repeated 2 times. Here no values. Here means we have gaps. Here means we have gaps. Here 130 repeated just 1 time. So I can write here the data. 20 repeated 2 times. We have 20, then 50 repeated 3 times, 50, 60 repeated 6 times, so we have here 60, 60, 60, then we have 70 repeated 3 times, so here we have 70, 70, 70, 84 times, so we can write here 80, 80, 80. Then we have 94 times, 90, 90, 90, 90. Then we have 102 times, so 100, 100. Then we have 131 times. Here the data. Here the data. Okay. The question now, what is the range? What is the range? How to find the range? How to find the range? Now range equal the big number inside the data, 130, minus the smallest number. The smallest number will be 20. Will be 20. So 130 minus 20 will be 110. Will be 110. Now find the mean, the median, and the mode. The mean, try to add the all numbers. Try to add the all numbers. Well, I can write 2 plus 2, or I can write 2 times 20. Even I can write 20 plus 20, or I can write 2 times 20 plus 3 times 50, because we have 50, 50, 50, plus 6 times 60, plus 3 times 70, plus 4 times 80 plus 4 times 90 plus 2 times 100 plus 130 will be 1770. And how many numbers we have here? We have 25. We have 25 numbers. So divide by 25. So will be 70.8. 70.8. Now this is the mean. The median. The number of the data 25 means we have odd numbers. Odd numbers means take the number on the middle. The number on the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the median will be here. The median will be here 70. And the most repeated number, as you see, 60 repeated 6 times. So the mod will be what? Will be 6. Okay. This is the line plot. And here we have the box plot. You will get the figure, the box plot here, and the question will ask you about the values. For example, here the first point here means the lower exterm, and here the upper exterm, and here we have Q1, and here we have the median, and here we have Q3. So what is the lower value or exterm? Will be 40. The answer will be 40. What is the upper exterm? Between 90 and 100, and about 95. About 95. What is the first quartile? Q1 between 50 and 60, about 55. What is the median? Between 60 and 70, about 65. Now, what is the third quartile? Between 80 and 90, about 70. This is the box plot. This is the box plot. And this is the histogram. The question here, what is the frequency of the period 30 to 39? Go to the height of this bar. You will find the height between 40 and 45. About 42. About 42. Here, which age interval had the greatest number of the attendance? The greatest high here, this bar, for this period, from 30 to 39, for example. Which age interval had more attendance? 20, 29, or 40, 49? And here we have 20, 29, as you see, and 40, 49. 40, 49, this is the height, and here this is the height. This is greater than, so will be 20 to 29. This is the histogram. And this is our revision. Who has a question now? Rawda, do you have any question? Girls, Rawda?
No, Mr.
Okay, this is our revision. I want to remember you the exam tomorrow, inshallah, between 10 and 11 a.m. o'clock. Please write the full name, your father name, your family name, and please try to solve carefully to get a good mark, inshallah. Good luck for all. Thank you very much. Thank you for your listening. See you, inshallah, next year in grade 7 إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.